everyone, this is Nice. So for today, we're gonna be doing a makeup tutorial and a product review. I got products from Lazada. I ordered them and I got them today. It's on fake makeup. So we got a fake MAC, a fake Huda palette. So marami kami fake products dito. So we have an event in the office and I decided to go as a fairy unicorn princess-ish, or bahala na kung anong kalalabasan ng makeup natin. But as you can see, I've already done my face. I'm done with the foundation and I used Naturactor and Can Make, which I added a little bit of shimmer from the broken Fenty makeup that I have. So this is the after effect of that. So maganda naman siya. So here's the product. As you can see, super fake talaga siya. Wala namang atang ganito ang MAC. And I've already opened it kanina and kind of tested it out. And talaga namang sulit siya. Sulit siya sa 190 pesos. Ang nakakatawa kasi ang dami-dami niya mga kulay at meron pa siyang dalawang sponge. Yan. So I don't know how many colors this palette has, but maraming kulay siya. And sa picture ng Lazada, mukha siyang malalaki. Yung mga pants niya, it looks big. But when it arrived, ang liliit lang pala niya. Parang yung mga 25 cents ngayon. It's the Huda 12 Ultra Pigmented Glitter Shadows daw. Pero as you can see, ginamit ko na kanina, hindi siya pigmented. Kasi pag dinip mo yung daliri mo, wala na, yun lang. Nasa ibabaw lang ang glitter. Pero tignan natin siya for the entire day. Okay, so let's start. I'm gonna do like a very test. Parang mulai yung ko. Natin pala mulai yung okay. Na siya. Ay, sa labi ang yung pero yung kasi. Hindi man pinakita. Purple. Ay, ito medyo kita nyo medyo kumulay siya ng very light. So I'm thinking that if you use water, it'll pop a little, maybe. Umaasa tayo na very hard. Ayan. Diba? Meron naman na siya. Hey guys, so this is after 5 hours and as you can see, wala na yung color sa noo ko. Yung pink, yung purple, wala na. Yung blue na mukhang green, wala na rin. And then yung lipstick ko, ayan, wala na rin. Yung mga glitters, nagbuo-buo na. Tapos yung, again, I'm not encouraging you to buy. Unang-una sa lahat, you don't know the ingredients that were used. So kahit na nakalagay doon sa container, it says kung ano mang makeup ingredient ang nakalagay doon, baka hindi totoo yun. Baka mamaya fetus yung ginamit nila or kung ano mang lamang loob ng animal ang ginamit nila doon. But hindi naman ako nangate. Walang kate. Mabigat lang siya sa face. So yun lang naman ang verdict sa fake makeup products that I got from Lazada. So after 5 hours, ayan na siya. So you really get what you paid for. Lesson learned.